Do you want to be able to fix your character AI app not working? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because me myself, I had the exact same problem just a couple of minutes ago, and I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do now, you're going to just close your character AI app, because we're not able to do anything on the app itself because it's not working. And then you're just going to find the settings option on your mobile, so click on settings, and now you should be taken to a page similar to this. And now what you're going to do on this page is quite simple. You're just going to scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to click on general. So click on general, and it should now take you to this page, which is perfect. So now on this page, then what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down just a little bit until you can see where it says storage in here. And for me, it says iPhone storage, as you can see. So I'm just going to click right here. And in here, what's going to happen now, it's going to load all the memory and basically all the data that you have on all of your apps that are currently on your mobile. So it might take a couple of seconds depending on how much data you actually use, or yeah, how much storage that you use on your mobile right now. But as you can see, it's done. So I'm just going to scroll down now and find the character AI app. So we're just going to keep scrolling down now. I think it might be somewhere down here, and perfectly, as you can see, the character AI app is here. And now what you're going to do, you're just going to click on upload app in here, and then once again click on upload app. As you can see, it's going to take a couple of seconds, and now as you can see, when you do see this like cloud symbol next to the character AI app, as you can see, you can now click on the blue button here again, because what will happen now is that you will now auto update to the latest version of character AI, the character AI app, and it will fix a lot of bugs that was in the previous version. So if you haven't yet updated it to the latest version, you need to do it by actually following along this video step by step, and then hopefully it will fix a lot of bugs that was in the previous version. It's going to fix also that your app is not working. And as I said before, this was what fixed it for me basically, so I hope that this will also fix it for you.